So in the previous video, as I had said, we had to add 3D models, 3D CAD models for these T blocks that are present on our circuit. There are three terminal blocks and two terminal blocks. Wow. So this is the web page named as the GrabCAD community. Over here we can access to various 3D models. We have to check when exporting them to Proteus. We need the step files, SCEP files and IGES files. So we'll choose the two terminal T block. Instead of downloading all the files, I will just download the STP file that is present. So over here you can see I've downloaded the STP file for two terminal block. Is it called two terminal block or two terminal T block? I'm not sure. Are you? So we'll do the same for three terminal T block. I would better call it 3-pin terminal block, right? So once we have downloaded the files, we can just right click on the components in the circuits. We can go to the location where we have saved the file. Remember to select the MCAD step or IGES file over here instead of geometric description. Then once you select the file, all you have to do is align the component with the board that is present at the bottom, the green board that is present at the bottom. We have to align the component with it. We can rotate the component on all the three axes, that is X, Y and Z axis. Then we can change the offset so that the pins are aligned with the holes. So after this is done, all we have to do is click on OK. And then when we go to the 3D visualizer, we'll see that all the three-pin terminal blocks are replaced with the CAD file that we had just downloaded. So after that, we'll do the same for the two-pin terminal blocks. I'll go to 3D models, select the MCAD option, go to the location where I had downloaded the file. Here, so open it and align it in the same manner as we had done with the 3-pin terminal block. Also, one more thing to be noted over here is the silk layer that you can see. The silk block on the board is what determines the top side of the component. So let's align the pins using the offset option. Yes, this is done and click on OK. And so this is how we have finally completed our regulator circuit. We can also simulate now it in the 3D visualizer option. So that's all that I had to show you about the first circuit that we have made, the regulator circuit. Now when I press Ctrl S, this movie type rotation we can see of the circuit. Now we'll just go to template, change colors, and we can visualize it in the colors that we want. If you want more details about this visualizations and the 3D visualizer, you can view the video that I have made especially to understand the features of 3D visualizer. So for us, that's all for the voltage regulators. If you So in the next videos we'll learn some more circuits, some more complex designs. So stay tuned with Captain Jack.